Wanna know how to remove duplicates from an array in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now here you can see our Java code right here. So you can just simply copy up this code and modify it as you want. Now if you have some duplicates, so we have some duplicates in this integer num array right here. So some duplicates are 2, 4. So these are the duplicates. Now we can remove them first simply using set. So right here you can see set right here, and now we just add all the elements to our linked hash set. So linked hash set is right here. What it does is it removes repeats and keeps the original order, and that's it. Super useful for cleaning up input or simplifying the logic. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.